who already having the idea about Python. Okay, one way is one career path is learn Django and then settle your life as web developer. Okay, need not be just a temporary, at least entering into the company, settle your life as a web developer. This is one thing. Full stack Python, Django, web developer, like some people may hard this type of thing. Okay, like for them, yes, what they require to learn is sir, very simple. First they have to learn Python. First they require to learn Python. They have to learn Python, and once Python got completed, next they have to learn Django, of course, UI technologies, and then Django, and Django REST framework. Django Django REST framework. If you aware these things, you can climb 3 to 4 years of experience. If you have gap in your academics or after completing, so just after completing your BTech or MCA, like or your education, 3 to 4 years gap is there, then happily you can convert that gap into experience. So this is a full stack web developer. Full stack these days very common. Full stack web developer. So on Python and Django, Python and Django, like yes, this is the role what you people. So which skills are required for that is these are the skills whatever are required. Okay, like so by using Python, is it possible to develop web application or not? Can you please confirm? By using Python, is it possible to develop web applications or not? Respond. Yes, there are several frameworks are there. Yeah, there are several frameworks are there. Frameworks are there to develop okay, web applications by using Python. Remember this one. The people who are coming from Java background, we have servlets, JSP, Spring MVC, Struts framework, JSF, like multiple frameworks are there to develop web applications in Java. The same way in Python also, multiple frameworks are there to develop web applications in Python. One is Django, second one is the Flask. Okay, Django. Second one is the Flask, like multiple frameworks are available, right? Okay, like so now just here my requirement is just I want to show you a small application, of course, just for your idea sake. The people who are not attending Django session, for them just basic idea sake, what I'm trying to take here is yeah, my requirement is very simple, sir. Here my requirement is, sir, here just observe carefully about this one, sir. Sir, now, sir, just like do you know, we are sending the request www.gmail.com, something like we are sending the request. Of course, I didn't configure any live domain name. Okay, this is my application. Later I can configure this one with a domain like this. Don't worry at all. Okay, like now if I can take like this, just let me open the browser. Just like if you type gmail.com, okay, how it is going to come? Yes, sir, this is welcome to Durga news portal. Okay, like I'm getting the response. Okay, like sir, have you observed, right? Okay, like sir, now this is something like a web application. Okay, sir, welcome to Durga news portal, continuous news update for every minute. Okay, like movie news I required, just click this one, then automatically Durga movie news, sir, OTT ready to release. Okay, like cheating. So these are the things related to movie, and then just some images I configured. Okay, like we are taking, sir, now if I consider sports news I required, then automatically don't worry about this data. This data is the dummy data. We can replace with the top sports related head news. Okay, like this is sir, something like okay, it is what we call what we can use the word sports related news. Okay, the same way, if you consider politics news, then automatically politics related news by default is going to come. Sir, can I use the word, is it a web application or not? Respond. The people who didn't attend Django sessions, can you please confirm, is it a web application or not? Yes, this is a web application. So such a type of web applications happily you can develop by using Django. Remember this one, gmail.com we can develop. We can develop gmail.com, facebook.com, twitter.com. Okay, like a blog, or otherwise your college, your university website I can develop. Okay, library management system we can develop, or otherwise hotel management system we can develop. Sir, so I want to develop a web application, can you please tell the way, is it possible in Python or not? Yes, possible, happily you can do that, yes, by using Django. So this is either Django or Flask, like multiple frameworks are there, but anyway I'm covering Django REST framework. Like if you cover these are four things, then automatically, do you know, these are four skills, if you aware, then you can claim, okay, 3 to 4 years of experience you can claim. Remember this one, sir, this is sir, web application. Okay, like are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, are you in the position to understand? Yes, this is just the basic idea. This is just the basic idea you people should aware. Sir, Django is a separate course, Django REST framework is a separate course, and so on. Next, one more thing, sir, I saw thousands of people, okay, thousands of my students who settle their life as web developer. Remember this one, it is a beautiful, it is a beautiful course to settle your life. I mean, not this what we call this domain is one domain where you are going to get in the job very easily. Remember this one. So web developer, Python based web developer, Django, like if you open naukri.com, monster.com, times, like so my skill set is Python and Django, or full stack web developer on Python. Yes, you can check what are various jobs are available. It's also one domain to get the job very easily, even as a fresher also. Getting the point? Yeah, there are a number of doubts are there for most of the people. Sir, how I can climb 3 to 4 years of experience? Okay, so in this related to this area, sir, here multiple things are there. So if you are not having the job, if you are not having the job, okay, case one, sir, I'm not having any job, then approach some genuine consultancy people. Okay, so that these people are going to take some 10k or 15k and so on, they will provide, okay, experience letters, everything, sir, whatever you require. Okay, so to claim experience, these consultancy people are going to provide each and everything. Do you know, to worst, there are some consultancy people who are going to provide bank statement also. They will run 6 months bank account, bank statement also they are going to provide. So everything is possible, don't worry. The only thing is you require to identify, okay, perfect consultancy people. Okay, like if you are going to spend 1 or 2 days with your friends, everyone is doing, out of 100%, minimum 70 to 80% of software engineers are fake candidates only. Don't worry at all, you are not only the person. Okay, 70-80% of the people who are working in the companies, fake candidates only. You are not only single person. Okay, like so claiming fake experience is not at all a problem, but if you are not going to fulfill the requirement, then it is the problem. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like next, this is if you are not having the job. Next, if you are already having some job, software related job, but legacy technologies, legacy technologies are the technologies what I'm not interested to continue my career, because growth is the very less. That's why I'm not interested to continue there. So majority of the time, so do you know, I had this the students, sir, like sir, I'm working as a testing domain, I'm working as a manual tester or automation tester, but in the testing, growth is not up to the mark. Like next, there are some people who are coming, sir, I worked in server side, WebLogic admin, or otherwise WebSphere admin, or otherwise database admin, but I'm not feeling much growth in that domain. Okay, like this is the very common. Sir, I'm working in so and so company. Company is good, but my work is a network engineer, network area. So there is no much growth. There is no much growth. If you have such type of things, what you people should aware is, yes, claim your previous experience, whatever experience is there, previous experience, as a relevant experience. Relevant experience. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Even you worked in testing side, but you never going to claim you worked in the testing side. You are going to claim in your resume that I worked for the last 2 years on Python Django, or last 3 years on Python Django. Okay, like you people, you can claim your previous experience. Then immediately there is a bigger doubt is there. Sir, if I claim like that, then automatically, if for the new company where I got the job, that person may do background verification, then my role or my previous experience, so matters a lot, like no chance at all. So the company is going to inquire whether you are employee of that company or not. So on what technologies this person worked, on which client project this person worked, such type of things are not going to be, not going to be there for the people. Remember this one, they are not going to inquire. Even they are trying to inquire also, your old company never going to provide such type of information. Please take a bit special care. Get the point? So here, so if you are not having the job, okay, there are consultancies are there who are going to provide experience letters in terms of kgs, 1 kg experience, 2 kg experience, like yeah, okay, like this is that, take a bit special care. If you are already having some software related job, but legacy technologies are the technologies where you are not feeling that much comfortable, happily you can claim your previous experience as relevant experience, and you are not required to have fake experience. Only thing is, you require to have your claimed technologies related experience you have to show in your profile. Beyond that, nothing. Clear? Any doubt? So this is one career path you people should aware, even for the freshers also. Okay, like yeah, sir, not only for web, what we call web developer, even for data science area also, the people who are having 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years original experience, happily you can claim last 3 years I worked in data science domain, data science area. Okay, like next, there are some doubts by default will be there. Okay, if I'm going to claim experience, if I claim experience, okay, if the company, if I claim fake experience, if a company identify, identify what will happen? Okay, sir, if the company identify what will happen, is this type of doubt is there for most of the people? Yes, this type of doubt is there. Okay, this type of doubt is there. So for most of the people, sir, what is claim experience means? Taking fake experience letter from consultancy and telling that I worked for the last 3 years or 4 years on so and so technology in so and so company. Everything is a fake, not genuine information. So you got the job with a fake experience, but if the company identify you are the fake candidate, what will happen? Yeah, so can you please tell, so which one is going to be happen, sir? So you are going to lose the job. Okay, you will lose the job, I'm sure. One thing. Second one, police case is going to be happen. Then they are going to, sir, blacklist your profile. Blacklist your profile. Okay, so that you won't get the job. Okay, like sir, among these things, which things are going to be happen, sir? Yeah, please confirm which things are going to be happen among these. What about your personal feeling? Yeah, among these things, which thing is going to be happen? Option 1, option 2, option 3, are all the options? Okay, are some of these, all of these? Okay, some of these. All of these are some of these. Some of these means just spell out the numbers, either 1 2 102 or 103 or 123, something like yeah, still. Can you please tell what these things are going to be happen? Yeah, so excellent. There are some people who are already working in the companies. The people can aware the people can aware. Yes sir, take very special care about this one. So the first one, you may lose the job, or your job may be lost. Okay, no such type of guarantee. I can't give the guarantee that your job is going to be gone. So the company people, so the perfect cheaters are software company people only, believe me. Believe me, the reason why I'm using this word is okay, first they identified that your experience is the fake experience, and then immediately they won't ask you to go out. First they will check, is there any work with this person or not. Yeah, is there any work with this person? Boss, this person is the very important resource, compulsory we require this resource, even though his experience is the fake experience. Then automatically those people are going to ignore the word fake. Happily you will continue, you will continue in the same job, even they identified that you are the fake candidate, because they need you, they required you. Okay, like one small scenario I will tell, so that you may get much clarity on these points, sir. one of my friend one of my friend joined in some software company named with X. Sir, he joined in some software company, company one. I don't want to highlight the names, but all these names companies are top MNCs only. Believe me, right? Okay, company one. He got the job by claiming 3 years of fake experience. Okay, like then what these company people did is this company outsourced this employee to some other company. Do you know, right? Okay, you people may aware. So one company is going to outsource their employees to another company. Have you ever heard about this one? Yeah, yeah. Have you ever heard about this one? Yeah. This person, okay, outsourced to some company like SAP Labs or some other company. I'm not spell out the name. Some example. So some company, right? So after sending this person, okay, to the company, these company people identified that these company people identified that okay, this person is the fake candidate. Company one identified that this person is the fake candidate. What they have to do, can you please confirm? Immediately they will call back this person, and instead of this person they have to send a new resource, like but these company people are very silent, very silent. Already these company people interviewed this person. Already he's on payroll. Why we have to disturb? So be silent, that's all. This person happily worked 2 years, okay, in that company. Sir, after work completed, 2 years work completed, now this person, sir, company 2 won't require this resource because their project already completed, send back to the sir company 1. Now this company 1 unable to identify new project for this resource. Now these people, what they did is, array, can you please resign your job this month end, because the reason is your experience is the fake experience. When this person is going to tell that point after 2 years. Have you observed, right? After 2 years, this person is going to tell that your experience is the fake experience. No problem. On your own, just can you please resign the job? Because they won't require your services, because they are not having required projects. Have you observed, right? Okay, are 2 years? Even this company aware that this person is the fake candidate, but still the company continued because the company required you. Remember carefully. That's why. So once the company identified you are the fake candidate, compulsory your job will be gone. No such type of terminology. Okay, like suppose if they won't require you, okay, what is the next one? What is the next thing is going to be happen? Sir, if they won't require you, what is the next thing is going to be happen? Sir, take very special care here. This is one area. This is one area. Most of the people are always getting the doubt. Most of the people are always getting the doubt. If HR department, mostly HR department is going to take care about your experience, all these things. If HR department identify you are fake. Okay, you are fake candidate. What is the next step is going to be happen? Yeah, simple, sir. Simple. Listen very carefully about this word. This is one area where compulsory you have to take a bit special care. Okay, so in front of me, with my own eyes, I saw several scenarios. Okay, not by listening from some other people, just in front of me with my own eyes, I saw several scenarios on this case. Sir, if the company identify you, you are the fake candidate, what will happen is HR people are going to call you. HR people will call for meeting. Will call for meeting. Will call for meeting. Okay, HR person, your HR person is going to call for meeting. Then in the HR person is going to tell, very simple, sir. Very simple. Sir, we identified that your experience is the fake experience. Your experience is the fake experience. Okay, like so can you please resign your job? Okay, observe very carefully. Resign your job. Okay, they are not telling that. Okay, can you please go out? Okay, can you please resign your job? They're telling very politely, resign your job. If you are going to resign your job, okay, sometimes so the last 3 months or 4 months, whatever you worked, last 3 months or 4 months, whatever you worked, you will get experience. Next, so 1 or 2 months extra salary also sometimes you may get. Sometimes you may get if you are going to resign on your willing, sir, I got better opportunity, that's why I'm leaving this job. If you are going to sign, if you are going to go out, then automatically you will get all these. Okay, if you are not going to sign, then forcefully we will send you out. Okay, like HR person is going to create a fear. Then so already you are the fake. Then what you people can do is, okay, resign the job and then upload your profile again for the next company. Are you getting? Yes, so when this one is going to be happen, if they won't require your services, okay, this is the case, then immediately you may have the bigger doubt. You may have the bigger doubt. Sir, why they are telling very politely, they will call the police or they will blacklist your profile and so on, like they can do, but why they are not going to do? Sir, this case never going to be happen. This case never going to be happen. So the only one chance is only this part, first one. Second and third never going to be happen. What is the reason for that? Is reason number one. Here very very important, observe that why the company won't do this issue. Sir, who selected you? So through proper interview process, sir, the company recruited you. Company recruited you, correct, right? The company recruited you. Yes, through proper selection process only. So 2 rounds, 3 rounds interview happened. All the rounds you performed very well. Because of your performance, they gave the job. Okay, now they identified that your experience is the fake, means they their recruitment system is not up to the mark, correct, right? Their recruitment system not identify fake candidates properly. Okay, they say that is their mistake. They never going to highlight their mistake. Remember this one. The company recruited you properly, but later they identified that you are the fake candidate, means the recruitment process is not up to the mark. If they are going to highlight, yes, we recruited so and so person which is the fake candidate, then the client is going to give left and right. Array, so fake candidate worked in my project. Okay, like that's why. So very very silently, without knowing to any person, so everything is hidden and properly they are going to send out. So the client is going to ask, why this person? Sir, he got some better opportunity or he had some personal issues, that's why he resigned the job. They never going to highlight that, yes, his experience is the fake experience, that's why the company sent this person out. The recruitment system is wrong. They never going to highlight that. Okay, next and after that, so reason number 2. Okay, second reason, sir. Reason number 2, the client is going to give left and right. The company trust will be gone. Trust of the company will be gone. Yes, sir, this is, that's why so they never going to highlight that we recruited a person who is the fake candidate, like sir, everything is going to happen silently in the background. Even the team member also doesn't aware, yes, this person sent out just because of fake experience. Remember, believe me, right? Sir, there is another reason is also there. What is the third reason is so the trust will be gone. So there is another serious reason is there. Okay, So they are telling to the employee, can you please send out, can you please go out? Okay, like if they are going to fire this person, okay, so their background verification verification system didn't perform well, didn't work well. Okay, actually his experience is the genuine experience only. So but their background verification team, they didn't work properly. So because of that, they identified that this is the fake candidate. Then whose mistake it is? If really the genuine person, but the company send out because of fake experience, immediately immediately what the candidate is going to do is, he will go for court. He will go for quota. So they are telling my experience is the fake, but I work at so and so year, so and so company, so I want compensation from the company. Give left and right to the software company itself. Getting? So why software company is going to waste their valuable time in all these nuisance kind of thing? Getting right? Are you in the position to understand? Okay. So here that is. So there is no question of blacklist database, blacklist profile. Such type of things are not at all there. Okay. So take a bit special care about these. There is no blacklisted profiles. Okay. No such type of terminology. Just it is the what we call the fear for the people. Okay, like so reason one, reason two, reason three. Because of these reasons, the company never going to highlight that you are the fake candidate, even they identified fake candidate. Okay, so if even they identified fake, you are the fake candidate, but still if proper project is not there, then only send out that in proper way. They never going to tell this person is fake experience. Because of that, we are sending out such type of terminology won't be there. Are you getting the point? The most valuable important things. That's why. So if you claim fake experience, if the company identify, okay, what will happen? Max, this is the thing which is possible. Okay, police case, blacklist, so such type of things are not going to be happen. Only this one is going to be happen. Remember this one, sir. Getting? So fake experience is our right. Better to utilize that. Okay, sir, my younger brother getting fake experience and he's worked in mid-level civil construction, and this time he's the senior bridge engineer. Yeah, obviously. But one thing, please take a bit special care. Claiming fake experience is not at all mistake, not at all fraud. But if you are not going to fulfill their requirement, then it will become fraud. So you have to fulfill their requirement, mandatory. Remember this. Getting? Okay. So that's all. This is what I saw thousands of people, man. Thousands of people in the big companies. Thousands of people in the big companies. Top MNCs, fake candidates are there. Why you have to worry about that? To get the project, even companies also will do a number of things. Okay, like don't go to that level. But anyway, so don't feel when compared with the company's activities, we are doing very small. Okay, so if the company had got a doubt about the resignation letter, then what is the situation? What will happen? So if the company had got doubt about your resignation letter or doubt about your HR person identified, same thing only, nothing will be happen. Ready, Venkat Manoj? Getting the point? So next, there is one more important thing. Sir, only 2 months I worked in this company. Okay, I claimed 3 years of experience. And then I got the job. Claimed 3 years of experience, I got the job. So here but after 2 months only, these company people identified that I'm the fake. Just because of that, I lost my job. What will happen? Very simple, sir. You have to claim these 3 years only, search for other company, because thousands of software companies are there. Why you have to worry? If the company won, you didn't get the job or you lost the job, then try for the second company, but don't claim this 2 months experience in the middle. Okay, utilize these 2 months experience as to improve your what we call skill. Okay, how to behave in the company, how the work environment will be there within the company. That, sir, personally you can utilize this, but don't claim. You have to claim the same experience and better to go to second company. Okay, like sir, I remember one of my very close friend. Okay, one of my very close friend, she got the job with 3 years of experience in some company named with W. Okay, so the HR person called. They identified that, yes, we checked your profile is the fake. That's why can you please resign the job? Then automatically, so she left that W company. Okay, and then so with the same 3 years of experience, so she went to the I company. She went to the I company. Now in this company, now she is the project manager. Okay, so take a bit very special care. If one company so identified what is the problem, thousands of companies are there, lakhs of companies are there, try. So this is one doubt. So claiming experience, there are n number of people are going to fear. Don't worry at all. Okay, it is a good opportunity to get the job well. Okay, so in my perspective, getting the job with experience, getting the job as a fresher, getting the job with a fake experience is always good for you people, because a number of opportunities you will get. Next, one more doubt most of the people are having. So the second doubt is, sir, what if I claim, if I claim experience, fake experience, so can I get on fake experience? Can I get on? Can how to get on in the company? How to get on in the company? This is most of the people's doubt. Okay, remember this one. Yeah, yeah. So here, and this time, okay. Yeah. There is someone is telling, sir, one day. Yeah. One day, sir, here one day I met a friend. He lived in Hyderabad and he learned Java from Durga, sir, and he faked experience. 3 years now he worked in Cognizant project manager. Yeah. Okay, common man, common. I told right. Not only your friend, 70 to 80% of software engineers are fake candidates only. In India, relatively a bit good, because the people are claiming 3 years or 4 years of experience. If you go for US, okay, they are going to claim 7 years, 8 years, 10 years of experience. Too much. Okay, there, because everything is temporary, hourly basis, weekly basis works are there. That's why, they never, so 7 years, 10 years, even in some companies, just for namesake, a person should be there. Even his job also can be done in the back end from our support teams only. Several times we are getting the calls. I required a support. I required support for data science. Okay, support for data science. Monthly, I will pay 40K. Monthly, I will pay 40K. You require to work 2 to 3 hours. Boss, this is a very common requirement for us. Remember this one. This is a very common requirement for us. Okay, like so they are claiming the experience. They got the job. They entered in the company. They require to do the work. Even that work also they are outsourcing. There are several employees are there with this type of terminology also. Remember this one. So usually, so we are getting the calls, but anyway, we didn't entertain such type of things. Sometimes we are getting the calls like, sir, we require support. We required support. Yeah. Have you observed, right? We required support. Like from the US, especially from the US, UK, we had this type of requirements are very common. Remember this. Okay, not the claiming experience. After claiming experience, the work is also they are trying to outsource. Wow, beautiful, right? Yes, here just this is one thing what you require to aware. Sir, here just observe this. So if I claim experience, if I claim fake experience, how to get on in the company? This is the bigger doubt for most of the people. Anyone having this type of doubt? Yes. Anyone having this type of doubt? Yeah, please believe me, sir. Please believe me. One statement you should aware. One statement. To get a job, to get job, multiple things are required. Multiple things are required. But to do the job, to do job, nothing is required. Nothing. To do job, nothing is required. Nothing is required. Really believe me this part. Really believe me. Believe me this one, sir. So just a minimum skill, whatever you had, is more enough. Okay. 3 years of original experience is 3 years of original experience. 3 years original experience. Okay. 3 months Amirpet training experience. Okay, Amirpet training experience. Remember there, this one is more worthy than this one. Okay, this is more worthy. This is more worthy than this one. Okay, the people who really working in the company not required to have much skill. Remember this. That's sir. I'm telling all these things are practical. Believe me. That's why the people who are at the time of changing the companies, they will come to Amirpet. They will upgrade their skill, and then they will go to the interviews. Remember this. Yeah, as long as they are working in the company, they don't want to upgrade the skill, because upgradation for the skill is not required. Out of 100, 90% of the story is the same. Getting? So take a bit special care, so happily you can climb 2 to 3 months to understand that environment. 2 to 3 months to understand environment, to understand environment and basics. Environment and basics, you may require to struggle, but that struggle is the temporary matter of 2 to 3 months, not for complete every day. So that's why, believe me, believe me. Okay, so you are not going to face any problem at all once you are getting the job. But if you are going to cross 2 to 3 months, then everything is going to be settled. Even you climb 4 years, 5 years experience also. Okay, remember this. So first thing, you have to keep one point in your mind. The person who is going to give the work, your superior, out of 190% of the times, he is also fake candidate only. So not required to worry at all. Okay, remember this. Okay, next, do you know, even being end user, we are doing the fraud? No, the companies are going to do n number of ways. Okay, to claim, to get the money from the clients, to claim their, do you know? So like, there are simple, sir. I joined as a fresher in some ex company. Okay, my project manager, my account manager changed that fresher to 3 years of experience, and send my updated resume to the client. Hare, I joined in that company as a fresher, but client point of view, I have 3 years relevant experience. Who did the change? Am I doing the fake, or otherwise company itself is doing? Have you observed? Now observe this. These kind of things are very common. Remember, really, my profile. So fresher, 3 years of experience, company claimed, and then send my updated resume to the client, saying so and so resource is going to work in our project. The client accepted. Now with 3 years of experience only, I worked in that project. Observe that carefully. Okay, I require to, sir, prepare what we call estimate. Okay, project time, budget, time estimate, like, sir, I required just only 5 hours we can claim, we can complete the task whatever client gave. But claimed, sir, instead of 5, don't claim 5 hours, so minimum 30 to 40 hours we require to claim. Who is doing the fraud? Who is doing the fraud? If really the client requirement is only within 3 hours or 4 hours only we can complete, but we require to claim that 40 hours or 50 hours, same work only. Okay, yet in Telugu we have one wonderful proverb, seta kashtal setake, peta kashtal petaka అన్నట్లు. So what it means, employee level employee doing, company level company doing, client level client is going to do. Don't worry, unless and until if you are not going to fulfill the requirement, then it will be the fraud. Clear, friends? Yes, I hope you people are in the position to understand. Okay, so this is, don't worry much about these things. Okay, so fake experience, these kind of things, if you are having the doubt, I don't think it is a good genuine. Next, and after that, there is one more. Sir, I want to join as a fresher only. Fresher versus experienced. It is also, there are multiple things are there. Please take a bit very, very special care about this one. If you join as a fresher, okay, the problem number one, most of the people are always going to get, most of the people, the people are always going to get the doubt saying, sir, uh, I want to join as a fresher because so the company won't expect much from me. Okay, like this is the bigger thing for the people. If you joined as a fresher in the company, what problems are there? Just the chance of getting job is very, very low, very, very less. Yes, because the person with experience 2 plus or 3 plus, the person fresher, who is going to get in the job easily? Yes, experienced person will get the job very easily when compared with the fresher. Okay, you got the job luckily as a fresher, but within the company, the chance of getting project is very, very less, because no client willing to entertain freshers in their project. Remember this one. So no client willing to entertain freshers in their project, then automatically what will happen? The chance of getting good project is very, very less. Sir, even you got the job, okay, the chance of getting good work is very, very less. Remember this one. Remember this. Even you got the project, but the chance of getting good work is a project. Sir, fresher situation is a fresher. Okay, fresher situation. Okay, in the company, in the company is just like in the company is just like 14th player or 12th player, 14th player or extra player, okay, in the cricket. Extra player in the cricket. Have you heard about the life of extra player in the cricket? Yes, friend. The batsman is going to show gloves. Then he is responsible to bring the gloves. Gloves. Next and after that, if the batsman is showing water bottle, then who is the responsible to provide water for that person? Is so extra player is the responsible. So such type of waste activities, who is going to do this one is fresher only. Fresher in the project means extra team player. Are you getting my point? Oi, are you, can you imagine once? Can you visualize once? Most of the times, while playing match is going on, so the batsman required a new bat. Who is going to provide? 14th player. 14th player is the responsible to do that. Okay, fresher got the job fresher in the company. What is the situation is 99% of the times the same thing is going to be happen. Next, moreover, the chance of getting hike is very, very less. Is very, very less. Next, the chance of getting on-site opportunity. Because for most of the people, it is the dream. I want to go to the US or UK, something like from on-site opportunity I require to get. So the chance of getting on-site opportunity is very, very less, because for the freshers, on-site opportunities won't be there most of the times. Getting the point? Okay. So this is for the fresher point of view, how many problems are there. That's why if there is any chance to claim experience, highly recommended to claim that experience. Highly recommended, good programming practice to claim that experience. But if you join, yes, if you join with experience, sir, with experience, sir, now observe this. Okay, now, sir, here same points. Let me copy paste. let me copy paste, but opposite. The chance of getting is very, very high. Because the reason is 2 plus 3 plus years of experience person will get a job very easily when compared with the fresher. The chance of getting the project is very, very high because the recruitment is going to be happen project basis. Okay, that's why. So for this project, 2 plus years of experience, 3 plus these many resources are required. Immediately they will move into the project. The chance of getting the good work is very, very high. Okay, most of the times because they require to work on the project. Sir, here no, he's not going to do. He's a quality work he can expect. Okay, quality work he can expect. He can expect. Okay, otherwise he's going to give left and right. Are preparing HTML files or preparing documentation or otherwise ticket handling, such a type of labor kind of work, this person is not required to do that. Okay, the chance of getting the hike is very, very high because day one onwards only this person is always day one onwards only this person entering into the project. Okay, the chance of getting on-site opportunity is very, very high. Even sometimes in the interview only, okay, this recruitment is happening for on-site opportunity sake. Sometimes this. So if there is a chance to get the chance, okay, to enter into the company with experience, highly recommended, better to enter. Okay, if there is a possibility to claim experience, good programming practice, better to claim that experience. Don't join as a fresher. Yeah. Okay. Next, there is one more thing. There is one more thing I have to convey. Yeah. Here there are few things you people should be aware, sir. Within the company. So for the new project, every resource skill is the same. For the new project, so for the new project, every person on the same page. Okay, every person on the same page. What is my point here is, suppose here you join in the new project. Okay, new project, and original, the person with the original genuine experience person is there. Genuine experience person is there. Okay, 3 years. Okay, so fake experience person is there. Okay, don't worry, both the people are on the same page. So means on the new project, the new technologies are new for both the people. Okay, don't worry, sir. If you have 3 years of original experience, it doesn't mean you require to aware each and everything in the next project. For the next project, what tools are required, what technologies are required, are mostly new for these people. Nothing will be there. Okay, like so, don't worry. If really you have 3 years of experience, I have, but I never worked in this area. Provide provide or otherwise give some time. Definitely, I will work. Getting the point? So, if you have 3 years of experience, means everything you should already aware. No, I never worked. But you in these tools, give some time. I will explore and I will work. Okay. So every person on the same page for the new project. Remember this a bit carefully. Katie, give the Katie. Then I will do that. Katie means what? Anyone can you please tell? Oi. Katie means what? Knowledge transfer. Okay, knowledge transfer. Okay, like knowledge transfer means so in companies this type of word is the common. Knowledge transfer means what it means, provide some training. Okay, sir, provide some training or provide some training related to that. Yes, sir, this is at the time of handover. Suppose I'm leaving in my place, another person got recruited. I have to give the KT to that person. Then I will relieve from the project. KT, that is called the KT. But company to company, the terminology may be changed. But in my company, we use the word KT, knowledge transfer. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Like next and after that, so how to claim projects? How to claim projects in my profile? This is the bigger doubt for most of the people, right? So don't claim training related projects. Don't claim training related projects. Training related projects. If you are going to claim training related projects, you are telling that indirectly you are the fake candidate. Okay, you are telling indirectly you are the fake candidate. That's why don't claim training related projects. What you have to do is, sir, contact, ask your friends or relatives who are working in the companies, ask your friends or relatives who are working in the companies. Okay, so just claim their project, claim their project as your previous project. Okay, so no one is going to tell, okay, this project is related to which company, which client is there and so on. No, because same client may give the work for multiple companies. Okay, same client will give the work for the multiple companies. There is no guarantee that, okay, this client project should be there in this company only. No such type of terminology. That's why claim. So like next, and after that, sir, if I claim the project, okay, related to some other company, what will happen? Nothing. Like sir, how I can manage? Okay, how to manage project related interview questions? Project related interview questions. Okay, interview questions. Okay, like sir, highly recommended, better to prepare some 20 to 25, 20 to 25, sir, project related questions, possible questions, and prepare answers from the net, or contact your friends, or otherwise some resources better to prepare. Or otherwise you don't know which project, which questions they are going to ask. First, blindly go to the interview, interview, and sir, try to get in the first interview, these are the questions I didn't answer, list out those. Second interview, these are the questions. If you attend 4 or 5 interviews, complete story will be there. So what gaps are there, better to fill those gaps every time. Then in the 6th interview or 7th interview, you will get the job. But still, if you are not having confidence, better to, sir, upload the fake profile. Better to upload fake profile. Everything fake. Everything fake. Name is fake, mail id is fake, next, and after that, do you know, name is fake, mail id is fake, so phone number is fake, like everything is a fake. Better to upload, so that you will explore some 3 to 5 company interviews, then you will get some clarity. With that, better to do that. Yeah. Are you in the position to understand? Arey, Dheeraj, really, man, these are things. Hmm. Really, all these are small techniques you require to apply. Good programming practices. Okay. Resume preparation also. Don't think too much. Okay. Just download sample resumes from the Google. So copy paste. So 3 to 4 resumes, copy paste and prepare a good resume. But you are so making complex. So make the life as the simple. Yeah, Nikhil, BPO to IT, you have to claim. If the company either feels that relevant experience, then claim your BPO experience as the IT experience in the same company, and then so check your luck. If you feel it is the BPO, no one is going to believe this company or the software company, then better to take fake experience from consultancy and then try. Yeah, clear, right? So please take a bit very special care. Okay. Yeah. Next, lots of online sites also prepare resume these days as per our requirement. Yes, there are resume building. Okay, 250 rupees, 300 rupees, or 1000 rupees. Then a beautiful resume they are going to prepare, but nothing. Don't. So not required. If you can claim, if you can prepare your resume on your own, then you can justify well in the interview. Mm. Yeah. Clear, right? Are you feeling any doubts? Next, sir, there are some companies. Ajia, she is asking a small doubt. Sir, I got job as a fresher. So they are asking for my original certificate for 2 years, 2.5 years. Next, a bond is required. Is it recommended to join or not? Yeah. So is it recommended to join or not? If the company is good, if the company the good company, okay, good company, not startup kind of thing, good company. Next, means for the last 5 to 10 years, this company is there. Hundreds of people already working in that company. Then happily you can, because these days company required this type of commitments from the employees. Okay. If the company is a good company, genuine company, then you can. Otherwise, don't. Okay. Don't join in the startups. Highly recommended good programming practice. Hurry, in the startup, small company, I will get more work. Some people are going to feel that is the wrong. Remember this one. Don't join in the startups, because the reason for that is after 6 months, whether that company, that company will be there or not, no guarantee. After 6 months, whether that startup will be there or not, no guarantee. Then how you can? So that's why don't join in the startup companies, small companies. Okay, to claim. Suppose you are 2 years, 1 year you worked, but after 1 year the company is not in a position to run, they close the company. Then which company name you are going to claim, and which company name you are going to claim your previous experience? That company itself is no longer exist. Then it may be the problem. That's why don't spoil your career by joining into the startups. Not at all recommended. Okay, five employees, 10 employees, 20 employees, 30 employees. No, not good. At least 500, 1,000, 2,000 employees like must be required. Teraj, yeah, this is the wrong perception for most of the people are having. Sir, growth is good in startup sometimes. Don't worry at all. So here small company, you will learn everything. Big company, you don't know anything. Like so, in my perception, whether it is a small company, whether it is a big company, so you never going to get the work whatever you require. You never going to work. You never going to get work whatever you want. Whatever you want. Remember this one. Whether it is a small company or whether it is a big company. So, sir, I'm very much interested in this area. I want to get the work. Sorry, such type of things will not be there. So here, what they requirement, what company requirement, on that you require to work. on that you require to work. You require to work. Okay, remember this. If I want to learn the work, if I want to know much, that is our personal, that what we call that feel should come from our mind, not from the environment. Clear, right? Yeah, Shivam. Just I'm sure I will look into that. Okay, so that's all. So please take a bit very special care, very special care about. Okay, these points definitely it's going to be very helpful for you people. Yeah, clear, right? Can I start the cinema? Cinema time gone. Okay, so definitely these points you people should aware. So what are the conclusions? Whatever I covered here. Okay, so just if you want to claim, full stack web developer on Python and Django, the required skills are required Python, UI technologies, Django, Django REST framework. You can claim 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay, like a first thing. The second thing is sir, claiming, how to claim experience. One student asked the question: if you are not having the job, You can approach consultancy people. They are going to provide everything, including pay slips, relieving letter, offer letter. Next and after that, what we call bank statement also sometimes they will provide. They will run bank statement at least for 6 months on your account. Okay, like if you are already having some software related job, but the technologies you are working are not providing much growth, then what you can claim your company experience as your relevant experience. Okay, you are working in the testing domain. Okay, but you want to move to the data science. Then what you can do is, yes, I'm working in that company, but in the data science domain, but not in testing domain. Okay, like you have to talk. Okay, like so next, if you claim fake experience, if the company identify, what will happen? Nothing will happen. In the worst case, you may lose the job. Your job may be gone, but with the proper way. So that proper way is on your willing only. You are resigning this job. They are not sending out. Okay, as per records on your willing, because of your personal reason, maybe other opportunity or otherwise personal reason, you are leaving the job. Okay, like sir, next, yeah, if you claim fake experience, how I can get on into the company? Sir, here just to get job, multiple things are required, but to do nothing is required. Sir, 2 to 3 months, sir, is to understand environment and basics. You may require to struggle, but once that 2 to 3 months got completed, happily you can work. Remember this one. So believe me, 70 to 80%, 70 to 80%, 80% of software engineers are fake candidates only. Okay, don't worry. Okay, next, 3 years original experience, 3 months Amirpet training experience, which is the more worthy is this one is the more worthy than this one. That's why Amirpet people can get on in the company, but a really working person to change his profile again, he required to visit Amirpet. Okay, remember this one. Remember a bit carefully. Okay, Amirpet person can get on in the companies, but a company really working person to get a new job, again he has to come to Amirpet. He has to do the attendance or doing some skills, upgrade his skills, and then he's going for the new company. Okay, remember this. That's why. So believe me, this is the more worthy statement only. Okay, like yeah. Okay, like sir, next, fresher versus experienced. If you want to join as a fresher, okay, your life is a 14th player in the cricket. Okay, like all the extracurricular activities you require to do that. But if you join as a experienced, highly recommended. Okay, like next, sir. Yeah, here within the company. Okay, so within the company, for every new project, for every person on the same page, remember that if you have 3 years of genuine experience or 3 years of fake experience, that a new company, new technologies, everything new for everyone. So you have 3 years of original experience, it doesn't mean you should aware everything. Okay, like yes, you can claim, Array, in my previous project I never worked. Give some time, definitely I will explore and I will work. Such type of things. Okay, next, how to claim projects. Okay, don't claim training related projects. Okay, you have to get the projects from the companies, whatever, whoever your friends, from your relatives, like and claim that project as your previous project. Okay, sir, how to manage your project related interview questions? How to manage project related? Better to prepare 20 to 25 project related questions. Better to prepare answers and then try. If you don't know any questions and so on, just create a fake profile and attend some 3 or 4 interviews. Now you will get some idea. Based on that idea, you can prepare well and upload your original profile. Okay, but next, last, highly recommended, not a good programming practice. Never recommended to join in the startups, because so you should not take that risk, because after 6 months whether that company will be there or not, you don't know. Then don't take the risk. Yeah, clear, right? Still having any doubts, please? Sir, my friend completed project before 2 years. We can claim that project in our resume. Yes, but manage a bit smartly. That is, yeah. Yes, any other doubts? Can you please? Super session, so many people perception will be changed. Yes, obviously required to change. Yes, here just someone is asking about sir, can you please tell me other career path for the Python? So for Python side, one area Python plus UI plus Django plus Django REST framework. Okay, this one is full stack web developer. Full stack web developer. Web developer. This is the career path one. Career path one. Sir, career path two. Python. Python plus a Selenium. Python plus a Selenium. Selenium. Okay, automation test engineer. Automation test engineer. Okay, like a test engineer. Okay, like sir, career path three, like sir, data scientist. But here multiple sub things are there. Python plus data science, AI, data science, AI, ML, like all these are things. Okay, like sir, data scientist, data scientist. Okay, like so data scientist, some like this is. So as of now, just I aware. As of now, just I aware these career paths, but beautiful entering into the company. This one is the more easy, especially for the freshers or experienced. But challenging is always this one. Okay, like sir, the people who are not okay, testing is my passion. Some people may have, then automatically this type of thing is good. Yes. Yeah, usually yes, correct, correct. Yeah, someone is telling, even I don't know. Okay, I don't know sir whether you accept this line or not. I think software tester salary is more than developer and their life is so easy just to criticize the work of others. Yeah, highly recommended. The person who pasted she or he worked in testing area. Okay, so worked in testing area because their perspective, but in my perspective, testing domain, okay, what we call the career growth, definitely a bit less. Okay, definitely a bit less. I saw it. I saw several people who is trying to claim their previous testing experience, yeah, the developer experience. Okay, remember. Clear, right? Nipijyoti, nothing. Just it's so it's nowhere related to us. Then that thing gone. Nipijyoti, nothing happened. Yeah. Next, if the company is not going to accept the fake profile and resume, then what to do, sir? Who is going to tell your profile is the fake profile or your fake experience? You have to tell. Yeah. Yes. So should I start my career in now I confirm because till now I was thinking post data science course that will search for data analyst job. Yes, Dheeraj, highly recommended, better to go for data science if you are going to claim experience. Highly recommended. Data science is the more challenging. Definitely it's going to be very helpful. Path one, how many months is required? Almost for anything better to keep 6 months minimum. For anything better to keep 6 months minimum. Okay, like any other doubts? Sir, very rare you people are going to get the chance to talk such a type of terminology. Other than, yes. So general things, if you are having the doubts, let me know. Clear? Maybe helpful? Next, one more thing, highly recommended. Highly recommended. Yeah. One more thing, highly recommended. Okay. don't don't okay, here what you can take, uh, don't claim, okay, your qualification as the fake. This is highly recommended. Qualification as the fake, but you can claim fake experience, but don't claim fake qualification. Have you observed what is about my word terminology? Yes, here uh, it is sir, claiming fake experience, okay, claiming fake experience is not a bigger legal problem, but claiming fake qualification is the bigger legal problem. Remember this one. That's why, so claim don't claim, sir, your qualification as the fake, okay, fake qualification don't claim. That's about my intention. Without doing the btech, I did btech from so and so university, then automatically there is a bigger legal problems will come into the picture. Okay, remember. So if the company, if you are going to create a fake experience, no problem at all, but your academic qualification should not be fake. So what you can do is, suppose the people who did mca, or otherwise msc, or otherwise mtech like, what you can do is, sir, remove, suppose mca is there, remove degree. After degree you are going to do 2 or 3 years mca, 3 years mca. Sir, remove that 3 years, claim degree with 3 years experience. Degree with 2 to 3 years experience. Are you getting right? Okay, degree. Sir, even though you did MCA, but anyway, so just a degree only I did. The rest of the thing is so and so. Like MSc is also same. MSc is this one is also same. Next and after that, if you consider MTech, yes, degree, BTech plus 2 years of experience. Have you observed, right? Okay, degree with 2 to 3 years of experience. Like this is this one. Okay, like next point I forgot. Yeah, fresher and experienced. There is a fresher and experienced. Sir, here in the case of fresher, in the case of fresher, okay, there is a problem is there, sir. Okay, there is a problem is there. Your percentages, okay, percentages, everything matters. Everything matters. 70 percentage must be required, 60 percentage must be required, and so on. So percentages and the gaps won't matter. So okay, percentages, next and after that backlogs, okay, backlogs, next and after that gap, all these things matters a lot, but here not at all applicable. Okay, these are things no one is going to consider, not required to worry. Okay, so here not here not required to worry. Okay, if you climb at the experience, remember carefully. Clear, right? Okay, so like this is, so if you want you can remove academic qualification from your profile, but don't add academic qualification. This is the most dangerous thing. Remember carefully. Okay, if you, sir, without doing the btech, I did btech from so and so engineering college or so and so university, it's a bigger legal crime. Claiming experience won't be the bigger problem, but claiming academic qualification is the bigger problem. That's why take a bit special care. Next, btech completed, sir, after btech 2 years gap is there. Okay, after bsc 2 years gap is there, that gap you can convert into experience. Clear, right? Any other doubts? Yes, friends. Satya, if you claim fake experience, then better to go for full stack development or data science. Anything, no problem at all. For experience, no difference. But here, if you are very strong in the Python programming side, better to go for data science. Yes, Narendra. Yes, correct. So here someone is asking about this question. Can you please observe that? Maybe helpful for you people. Okay. What is his doubt, sir? I have completed MCA in 2014. After completed MCA, sir, I worked in college for a faculty. So I can take 4 years Django on Python experience. Please suggest. Yes. Why not? Now it is the 2021. 2021. Okay. For the last 4 years, 4 years, I'm working on Python under Django. Yes. That's all. Earlier, I worked in some college as a trainer. But anyway, I'm very much fancy about software industry. I'm very much fancy about software industry. That's why from 2017 or 16 onwards, 2016 or 17 onwards, sir, I'm working in so and so company. Yes, so this is another doubt for most of the people. Okay, sir, if a BTech completed and 4 years gap is there, then how many years I can claim experience? Yes. So how much gap is there? You are that much lucky person. How much gap is there? You are that much lucky person. Okay. How much gap is there? You are that much lucky person. So better to claim three years. Okay, 1 year learning and 3 years previous experience. Yeah. Any other? Ajia, 70 to 80% of the people in the IT fake candidates only. Don't get shivering, don't get tension. Like I told a very close friend to me. Okay, there one of my just colleague. She's a very close friend to me. She joined in the company. Okay, Wipro. Then automatically those people identified that fake experience. So next immediately she tried. Okay, in the next three companies she got Ashok Leyland. Next and after that Infosys, and then at last she joined in Infosys. Then she completed 4 to 5 years in that company, and then she moved to some other company. Now currently she is in US. Ajia, getting? Yeah, highly recommended. Don't. If you are not going to fulfill the requirement, then you have to get shivering. If you are going to fulfill the requirement, then nothing to worry. Okay. Yeah. Sir, clear for you people, right? Any doubt about this one? Okay, definitely it's going to be very helpful for you. If any of you having any doubts, so like, yeah. Any other things? Can you please confirm? Any other doubts you have, please? Maybe helpful for the remaining people also. Yeah, sir, with if you have the gap or if you want to claim experience, data science or Django, both are good. But which one you recommend, sir? My recommendation is always for data science. Okay, if you just not strong in the programming, but still I want to enter into the company very easily, not strong in programming, then better to go for Django side. Yeah. Narendra, let me check. Anyway, luckily this session is recording. Yeah. Sir, I'm the fourth year BTech. I'm always confused choosing career between IT and government job due to instability and workability in IT. Any suggestions? Yeah. So highly recommended. Highly recommended. So if you want, that is. So my answer, I hope everyone can guess. For this question, my answer everyone can guess. My answer everyone can guess. Yeah, here in my perspective, okay, government job means your life is going to be settled. Okay, you have to create the boundary, within the boundary you have to jump. That's it. Okay, no big growth, no miracles in your life. Better to choose IT side. Okay, so that you can fly. Okay, this company to that company, this company to that company, salary hikes, next on-site opportunities, next n number of options will be there with you people. Government job, by mistake if you are getting the job, that's all. Your life 60 years retirement in the same company, same organization. My perspective, if you have two options, choose option related to the IT. But sir, I don't want to take any risk. I want every month 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 salary. I want to be in my native place or otherwise in some fixed place. Better to choose government job. Okay, that based on. So you are using the word due to instability and work burden. So work burden, instability and work burden. If you want to create miracles in your life, you are ready to work. So anytime you are ready to work from anywhere. If you are very dynamic, smart, if you want to create a golden life, better to choose IT. No, I don't want to take any risk. I require a job because to get the marriage, to get on my life, then better to go for government side. Yeah. Any other? Excellent. This is the doubt. Sir, I'm going to be 2022 passed out or 2021 passed out. What I have to do? Sorry, you are the most unluckiest person in the world. You have to try as a fresher only. Yes. Okay. You are the most unlucky person. Vishnu Priya. Yeah. Okay. So you have to try as a fresher. No doubt at all. Sir, some consultancy asking 80K. But please proper check the consultancy people because they are the fake candidates because their job is the creating the fake. That's why they may be fake also. That's why please take a bit special care. So if any of your known persons already took the experience, they provided good support, such type of consultancies only you have to choose. Okay, this is next. I had one person, one of my very close friend, very close one of my relative asked this out. Sir, BTech 2021 passed out. Okay, passed out. So how to get the job? Like immediately, what I told is my sincere suggestion for them is okay. My sincere suggestion for them, especially freshers, especially freshers. Okay, like btech, okay, like 2021 or otherwise 2022, like for these people my sincere suggestion is better to join in some college for mtech. Better to join in some college for mtech. Okay, now you will get 2 years you require to do that. Meanwhile, better to try, okay, for software. So within 2 years, okay, if you are not getting the software job, because for freshers not that much easy, then at least your mtech is going to be completed. Okay, in the life, by mistake, if qualification matters, then at least you updated your qualification. Okay, like so now 2 years, at least mtech got completed. Now these 2 years, whatever gap is there, now you can claim as experience, and then 2 years experience, and try as an experienced person. Have you observed? Suppose you are keep on trying only for the software job. You are keep on trying only for the software job. For the 2 years also, you didn't get the job because for freshers not that much easy. For 2 years also, you didn't get the job. Then automatically, if someone is asking what you did for the last 2 years, then at least you have some answer in your mind. Yes, I completed my MTech. Have you observed? Next, suppose tomorrow software is not good. Okay, I want to settle cool life in some engineering college as a faculty. Then automatically your MTech is going to be helpful there. Getting the point? Yes, so this is one in my perspective, this is the best suggestion. Okay, the people freshers especially better to try for higher qualification. At the same time, better to do, sir, try for the software. Both the things. At least 2 years, if you are not getting the job, yes, by that time your MTech is going to be completed. Now, MTech as a fresher you can try, or BTech with 2 years of experience you can try. Next, moreover in the IT industry, okay, experience matters a lot, but not your qualification. Okay, remember that. Remember, experience matters a lot, but not your qualification in the IT. Okay, Durga, MTech computer science. MTech computer science. Okay, but my project manager, do you know BSc? BSc. But who is the great there? My project manager is the great. Okay, my project manager is the great when compared with Durga. Remember this one. Have you observed in the IT, sir, qualification won't play any role, experience play the role. Remember, that's why. So highly recommended degree, BTech with the 2 years of experience recommended, not MTech as a fresher. Yeah, right. Any doubt? Okay, that's all. This is the general doubts. So we will have one more. Good, excellent, excellent. So the chance of corona, these kind of problems also won't be there. Yeah. Corona, these kind of problems also won't be there. Yes, excellent. Uh, yeah, Satya, too good. Can you please share that code? Sir, next turn after that, if you want to get the job, okay, so campus placement, your college matters. So other than off campus, then your qualification matters. They never going to worry about from which college you completed. Yeah. Okay, that's why choosing MTech in some attendance is not required. Okay, not strict. Such type of colleges better to choose. Yeah. Okay, right, sir. Thanks for everyone. Okay. So next session will be Monday. Yes, yes, good. There are several good things to share. Okay. Sir, I want to give good news that I got internship in data science. Your NumPy and Matplotlib teaching helped me a lot in internship. Excellent. uh, Jay Krishna, can you please refer my videos, which are going to provide more than Durga sir? Yeah. Okay. Welcome to another personality development session. Sir, before starting the session, just 1 minute, I want to share with you people one important point. Of course, I took several personality development videos. Okay, all these videos are available in durgasoftonline.com. Okay, like here, durgasoftonline.com courses. If you observe that courses in the are you seeing anywhere personality development videos like okay, I hope you people can see personality development class. Yes. Okay. Here this is the video course what we have personality development class. It is absolutely free. Okay, you are not required to pay single paisa. Okay, for this course, happily you can register for this course and then you can access all these videos. Almost around 20 videos are there. Okay, all these videos happily you can access. Definitely these things are going to be very helpful for you people, right? Okay, other than my technical experience, sir, whatever I know related to our personality development, just I shared in the form of these videos. definitely these videos are going to be very helpful for you and even for your friends also. Happily you can refer these videos for your friends. Okay, like, so now in this video what I have to talk is a simple. I saw somewhere one important one interview from CEO of a company. Okay, from CEO of one software company, one software company anyway, related to us. It is the software company CEO interview I saw, sir. Okay, so from that definitely we have some important learning. What I want to share with you people, right? Okay, do you know he joined just like a normal employee. Okay, just like a normal employee, he joined in the company, sir. Normal employee, but within short span means oddly some few years, he became CEO of that company. Okay, CEO of that company. Sometimes you people may say, okay, just joined as a normal employee. At certain point, okay, he became to the topmost position in that company. Like, have you ever heard about that? Okay, Google CEO, yes, Sundar Pichai. Next and after that, do you know Satya Nadella? Okay, like, there are several people, but here these people already some with experience, already they joined in the middle of the management. But a normal employee, just like end developer, how he became CEO of that company just within very short span. Okay, like, one technical one interview I saw from this person, of course. Okay, I'm not sure exact name, I didn't remember, but the point what he told, I want to share with you people, right? Do you want to know the answer? How you reach this position? Whenever the anchor asked the question, okay, interview person asked the question, then what is the response that person told? Okay, definitely it's going to be very helpful for all the working people or upcoming software engineers also, this point. Okay, what the answer is? So that lady asked, the lady who is taking the interview, that lady asked, sir, few years before you are just a normal employee, but now you are CEO of that company, in the same company. How it is possible? It is not your own company, you didn't start this company. Okay, like, just a normal employee, how we became CEO of that company? Okay, like, that lady asked. Then automatically this person told only one answer, sir. If you have that attitude, if you have that characteristic, then definitely you will become CEO of your company also. What is that is? Okay, let me tell the answer, but before that let me tell general attitude for most of the people, right? Of course, including myself also. Suppose, do you know, while working in the companies, okay, mostly on Friday or Monday, status calls will be there. Have you remember, right? Status calls or work, team meeting status calls or otherwise team meetings will be there. Okay, in your team, when it will be there, either Friday or Monday, or some company to company, project to project, this one is going to be this timing is going to be varied, right? Okay, assume that team meetings are there. So sometimes what will happen is, in the status call or otherwise in the team meetings, okay, the team is going to assign the client side persons also there. Client side persons also there. Mostly Friday evening or Friday afternoon, something like, Friday post lunch is going to be happen most of the times. Most of the time, Friday post lunch. Okay, the client side IT experts will be there in the. Okay, they are going to share, yes, these are the next new activities what we are going to do, that or these are the next service requests we have to implement. Okay, SR 1011 1010 SR 1012, like, these changes we are ready to implement. Okay, so in the next week, we have to complete these tickets or otherwise service requests. Like, sometimes if it's the maintenance project, the work is going to be allocated on Friday. Okay, assume that, sir. So in my team, especially while working in my company, somewhere I got, on Friday evening, almost around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock meeting will be there. In that, my team lead, project manager, all the people are there. These are the new things what we have to implement in the next week or in the next couple of weeks, like. Okay, assume. So here what happened is what happened is, suppose one worker, one ticket, assume that one SR means, do you know, ticket and SR, any the people who are working in the maintenance projects, you may have the difference, right? SR and SR and tickets, maintenance projects. A ticket means, do you know, there is some problem, can you please solve this problem, a small minor kind of thing is the tickets are. So service request is usually code level changes also must be required. Sometimes, array, that particular implementation is not good. Okay, that particular implementation is not good. Code level changes also sometimes it may require. Okay, more than ticket level. Okay, ticket means within 1 hour or within 2 hours or within 24 hours you have to fix that problem. But service request is something like a 1 week span or 10 days span, 1 month span. We require to work. Okay, like code level changes also required. Okay, like sir, assume that a ticket or SR assigned on a particular person. Durga, you are responsible for this. So next Saturday we have to move this one to the production. By next Friday you require to complete. Okay, next week, Durga, you require to work on this SR number. Okay, like this SR assigned on my name. Okay, I hope you can understand my terminology, right? The people who are working in the companies, you people can understand very easily, sir. So this SR assigned to me. Now I'm the resource who is going to fulfill this requirement, who is going to fulfill this implementation, right? What happened is, suppose I know, okay, this is so how much time I had? Almost 1 week time, complete 1 week time I had to implement this one, sir. Do you know, 1 week time I had to implement this one. By seeing this, just a matter of 2 hours, okay, 2 to 3 hours is enough to implement this one. I know that. Okay, just I saw this requirement at a code level, a small change I require to do that, a small change I require to do that. Yes, I can do very easily, nothing will be there. So 2 to 3 hours is more enough, okay, to implement this one. I know that. Monday morning at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, once I reach the office, then I check it. By afternoon pre-lunch, okay, before lunch only, I completed this activity. Okay, if you are in that position, if I'm in that position, what usually we will do? Immediately, am I going to approach my team lead? My work already completed, like, yes, can you please tell what we are going to do that? Okay, so relax for complete week. Okay, relax for other 4 days also, boss. Out of 100, 99.99% of the people are going to do that. Okay, are going to do that, this type of thing. Relax for entire week. Okay, until weekend. And weekend we are going to submit our work. Okay, because the work which is assigned for that week, I completed within 2 to 3 hours only. 2 to 3 hours only. But I didn't submit that work. I waited until weekend, until my deadline, deadline. Then only I'm going to submit my work. This is usually happen in the companies. Out of 100, 99.99% of the people are doing this type of activity only. Okay, like yes, correct, right? Yes, friends, are you going to believe? Is it going to be happen? Not only my case, even your case also, or for any person case also, right? Okay, well, this is usually happen in the software companies, friends. Okay, do you know? Really, okay. Even sometimes what will happen? Even you are going to update to your lead also. Okay, relax. Okay, client billing is there for almost 32 hours. Why we have to climb 2 to 3 hours only? Enjoy. Okay, sometimes team lead, project managers also going to full provide support. Okay, if it is going to complete, enjoy, that's all. Okay, like, so now this is usual happening in the companies. Okay, now, do you know, I told, right, a normal employee, in the short span he becomes CEO of that company. Okay, like, sir, what is the secret? Like, that interview lady asked this person. Then immediately this person told, okay, it's very simple, sir. That person told, sir, if I got the work to do within 1 week, okay, for the next 1 week, this is the work I had. For the next 1 week, this is the work I had. So I will try to complete within 2 to 3 hours, or otherwise within 1 day. And after completing that, immediately I will approach my next manager saying that work already completed. Do you have any other work? Please let me know. Okay, like please let me know. Okay, because that work already completed. I submitted like, do you have any other work? Please let me know. Do you have any other work? Any other work? Please let me know. Let me know. Like this person is keep on asking. The next is manager. Okay, like then automatically manager sometime is telling, okay, so and so, okay, so and so work is pending. Can you please do that? That work also is going to complete within a single day. Within a single day, sir. That work also completed. Do you have any next activity? Please let me know. Please let me know. Like, do you know what happened here? Are whatever work he's going to allocate to this person, he's going to complete within the very short span, unexpected time, and then he's always eager. Do you have any work? Please let me know. Do you have any work? Please let me know. Like sometimes within just a matter of 1 month or 2 months span, the manager, if this person is there, the total project is going to run. Like that feeling this person got. Okay, even do you know he's always, do you have any work? Please let me know. Do you have any work? Please let me know. That's all. Do that work. Here, deadlines, these kind of things. 1 month deadline. He's going to complete just within half day or within 1 day. Really, whatever time is required is going to complete. Please share what is the next work. Like just in the matter of couple of months, he became the key resource. He became complete, complete only a single man army, something like in that project. Okay, what happened here? Next, this skill, okay, the director, okay, aware, or otherwise, next account manager aware, like now this person became shareable resource for multiple projects. Remember that, because this project work is not enough for this person. Keep on asking next work, like so that attitude makes this person very key person in the team, very key person in the project, very key person in the account, okay, very key person in the company. Okay, automatically his position day by day rises like anything. At certain point, he became, what is the next work? Can you please do allocate some work for me? Okay, like that question itself is going to make this person as a CEO of that company. Okay, sir, I know only one thing. Do you have any work? Please, okay, please let me know. That single question, that single initiative makes me the CEO of this company. Getting the point? Of course, there are a number of internal things, okay. So what happened? Project to project, how this person reached. So he didn't, but anyway, small thing, what you people should aware. Do you have any work? Okay, please let me know. Okay, like that makes this person the CEO of that company. Have you observed, right? So which thing is going to stopping you to go to the next level in your company? Okay, the work escape, the people who are going to escape the work, those people always wherever there only. Okay, there is no improvement in their position. Remember that, always work initiative. Okay, the person who is going to take initiative, the person who is going to take responsibility, that person will get a ladder to go to the next level. Are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, we should not be work escapers. Okay, we should not be work escapers. Okay, if you are going to escape the work, if you are going to skip the work, if you are not taking responsibility, if you are not taking initiative, you will become solid contributor. Solid contributor. In IBM, we had one role, solid contributor. In the ratings, we are going to get okay, 2 ratings. Solid contributor means whatever work we are going to provide, this person is going to fulfill that work. He won't take any initiative. He won't take any extra responsibility. Okay, like clear, right? Amit, whether we are getting new work or whether we are getting same kind of work, just think a bit. Why we have to take that much time? Can you please think about next level? Then obviously at certain point, okay, your position is always will be next level only. This, do you have any new work? Automatically you are finding your next level. So think a bit carefully. Okay, if you are getting the chance to take responsibility of the new work, if you are getting the chance to initiate new activities in your project, don't miss such type of opportunity. Okay, definitely, your position by default is going to be improved. This is the secret, what that CEO told. But always ready, but no environment. Then you require to change your environment, Vidya. Changing environment is in our hand only. Okay, always be ready for the next. Getting right? Okay, this is yes, so that CEO, a normal employee became CEO of the software company. The person who is going to take responsibility, the person who is going to take initiative, the person who is not escaping his work, that person position is always good. Wherever there, his position is always good. Believe me, sir. Minimum what we call thumb rule, what you have to aware while working in the companies. Do you know do you know in my organization there is a person is there named with XYZ person. Okay, there is a person is there named with XYZ person. I'm not going to specify the name. Okay, what he's the person who is the responsible to do some innovative work. We recruited for that activity, right? Then I will ask him, sir, can you please tell some new activities what we have to implement? Then automatically this person is always going to tell, sir, this is the new activity, we have to do that. Okay, this is the new activity, we have to do that. How many activities is going to tell? Only one new activity is going to tell. Only one. Then I will ask him, okay, what else? Can you please tell any other? Then automatically I can tell. So as of now, I thought only this one. Okay, just give some time. Definitely I will tell like, so he's going to tell tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, like he has n number of ideas in his mind. Remember this one. He has n number of ideas in his mind. But he's not open. He's not willing to share total knowledge, okay, at a time or otherwise in the short span. What is he's saving for, is a new, his idea is saving for tomorrow, like, sir, being an employer, what my feeling is, one day I got, this person aware a number of things. He is always saving, calculative. Accounting is doing today one idea, tomorrow one idea, day after tomorrow one idea. Okay, why is telling all these things? New ideas automatically will come. Why is not sharing his knowledge? Like Corona came, sir, what we have to do? No new activities, right? Can you please stop the job? Like he lost his job. Even I didn't feel I have to call that person. Okay, I have to invite that person to do in my team. The reason for that is he's escaping his work. Okay, being employer, we are always looking for the people who are going to take initiative, the people who are going to take more responsibility. That thing must be required, sir. What employer required, you have to do like that. Then obviously our position is always good. Getting the point, right? Just in my okay, the person, there are a number of people in our life. They are very calculative people. Always their position Is always, they are always going to keep one boundary wall. Within that boundary wall only they are going to dance. Okay. Take a bit special care. Even I saw these type of people in my team, they lost their job. Even I didn't interest to make a phone call also. Clear, right? So be ready for, okay, next, like definitely your life will become, definitely you can enjoy every minute of your corporate life. I'm sure, sir. Getting the secret what that CEO told? Friends, okay, this is the secret. Okay, how a normal employee became CEO of that company. Chaitanya is asking a small doubt. Chaitanya is asking a small doubt. So theoretically is okay. Theoretically is okay. Practically is it going to be possible or not? Yes. One small thing just I want to share with you people. Just one small office boy we recruited. Okay, one office boy we recruited just for 8K salary. Okay, office boy we recruited for 8K salary. Then, do you know, he's always very much eager. Sir, can I take that work? Can I do this work like? Then automatically, one fine day, okay, I saw this person. Array, if I have any work, call that person. Definitely, he's going to do that. Even he don't know the way, he will explore and he's going to do that. Really, I felt very happy to make this person in my team. Then automatically, do you know, one fine day this person came, sir, 8K salary is not enough. Can you please increase my salary? What I have to do? What I have to do? 8K salary is not enough. Can you please increase my salary? Like this person asked, what I have to do? Then simple, sir. I don't want to miss this resource. Then immediately I make this person a salary at the 14K. Okay. Now just in the matter of 2 years span, he took the salary almost around 50K. Matter of 2 years span, he took just joined as office boy in my office, just within 2 years span. Because I can't leave this person. If I leave this person, if I leave this person, automatically what will happen? Okay, my regular activities are not going to be that much smooth. This person became key person. He's penetrating in every area of Durga Sapta. Then automatically, I'm not having any alternative at all. Yes, obviously, how much this person is going to ask, I have to pay. Getting the point? Getting the point? The person who is going to take initiative. Next, one more thing I have to share at this time. Sir, another person came. His salary was 15K, sir. Okay, 15K. Just this person asked, sir, Durga Sapta started in the 2006. 2006 to 2020, I'm in Durga Soft only. For the last 15 years onwards, I'm in Durga Soft only, sir. Can you please increase my salary? Like he asked me. 15 years working this person. Then simple, I asked only one thing. Why I have to increase your salary? In the 2006, in the company, whenever you joined, what work you did that day? Now also you are doing the same work. Are you getting? Now also you are doing the same work. Even I'm not feeling that much happy to give a new work for you because you are not taking responsibility, you are not taking initiative. So 15 years I worked in this company. So what? This is the answer what I used to this person. Have you observed, right? A person with 8K salary, he is getting 50K, just a matter of 2 years span. Okay, a person with 15K, this person worked almost 15 years in Durga Software. Still, I'm not that much interested to increase his salary. Who asked this question? Have you observed, right? In theory, okay. Practically, is it going to be happen or not? Practical thing, I'm sharing my organizational experience with you people. Getting the point? That's fine. So always think about next level responsibility, more initiation. Okay, if you are going to take, you will become key resource in the company with salary wise, position wise, respect wise, everything by default will be there for you people, right? Don't escape from the work. Okay, don't escape from the work. Okay, like don't escape from the responsibility, don't escape from new initiations. So always I'm the first person who is going to take responsibility, I'm the first person who is going to take initiation. This type of attitude if you have, then obviously your position is always good. Your position, salary, next respect in that organization by default is growing day by day, believe me, sir. Getting? Sir, in our batch, yes, there is one person, okay, named with XYZ. I don't want to spell out original name. Sir, he got the job. Okay, have you observed, right? One of the product based company offered 11 lakhs per annum, but I don't have any real time experience how to handle, sir. This is a doubt. So how to handle handle this type of situation, how to handle, sir. Okay, this is a doubt for most of the people also having the same doubt in your mind. Okay, so the same doubt in your mind, the Python domain only. Pramod, it is related to the Python and Django. He claimed, correct, right? Python plus Django. Sir, he took, but highly recommended. Sir, Django REST framework also make sure, sir, better to keep this one as the mandatory. Okay, like sir, with this, so full stack, sir, something like full stack, full stack with full stack full stack web development with the Python and Django, with the Python and Django and Django. Yes, with this skill set, this person got the job. Okay, he got one from one of the product based company 11 lakhs, but he's not having any real time experience how to handle. This is a very common doubt for most of the people. Do you know? Here there are small things you people should aware. Okay, I want to tell one wonderful statement for you people. Okay, wonderful statement for you people. Better to remember this point, better to inject this point in your mind. What is that point? Yes, sir, very important. How many stars you want, you can keep 5 star, 7 star, 9 star, no problem. That much important point this is. Okay, to get job, several things are required, but to do job, nothing is required. Okay, remember carefully. To get a job, several things are required, but to do job, nothing is required. Okay, like nothing is required. Please take a bit very special care, the people who are claiming experience kind of people. So please take a bit special care. So to get the job, a number of things you people should require to learn, but to do the job, okay, nothing is required. Most of the times in the companies, okay, most of the times in the companies, so the work what we require to do is repeated work only. Okay, like sir, here like repeated work only for most of the companies, right? So just you may struggle, struggle 2 to 3 months. Okay, max 2 to 3 months, max 2 to 3 months. Okay, remember this. More than that, I don't think. Okay, sir, believe me, whether this point I can tell or not, maybe software companies may blame me, but anyway, believe me, sir, it's a real majority of software engineers are fake only. Don't worry, majority, sir, majority of the software engineers are fake only. Happily, they are doing their job. They are doing their job. They are get on in the industry. The reason for that, to do the job, no skill is required. Believe me, sir. Okay. Sometimes, sir, I worked in top MNC, one of the top MNC for 5 years. Every day, I'm always going to get the feeling. Every day, sir, not very few days. Every day, I'm always going to getting the feeling that, array, to do this work, is MTech is required. Is MTech required? MTech required. This is the bigger doubt I had every time in the company. Believe me, sir. Okay, this is what the reason for that is. 10th class knowledge is more enough to do the job, to do the software job. Believe me, sir. In world, the most easiest job is the software engineering job only. Okay, remember this one, sir. The most easiest job is the software engineer job only. 10th class knowledge is more enough to do the software job. Okay, just take a bit very special care. I'm sure, but anyway, that's why, do you know, majority of the companies, if there is a chance, they will recruit 10th class people also. But the only thing is government rules, below 14 years or below 18 years, sir, should not make as employee, should not make as the employee. Like they had these type of rules are there. That's why they are not entertaining officially. Believe me, sir. 10th class student knowledge, okay, is more enough to do the software job. Okay, like so, Viranjanilo, I hope your fear by default gone almost 50 percentage by listening these statements. Okay, like sir, still you may have the doubt, sir. Once I entered into the company, they are going to give some work, how I can handle, okay, without having original real time experience, how I can handle. Sir, very simple, sir, very simple. You require to approach, do you know? So highly recommended. Okay, what you will do, have you remembered, right? Most of the time, sir, whenever you went to the interview, or whenever you went to the new place, you don't know what we require to do. You don't know what we have to do that. Okay, most what we are always going to do, we will ask the people, okay, how to do, or otherwise we will observe how the things going on. Based on that, we will try to repeat the same. Have you observed? Based on that, we will try to repeat the same, correct line? Sir, we don't know what I have to do. We don't know what I have to do. Sir, how the remaining people are doing the same way, we require to copy paste. Okay, seems, sir, same in your project. Okay, first thing I have to give the clarity here, sir. For the next, or for new project, okay, take very special care. For every person, including original experience person also, including original experience person also, for every person, including original experience person also, everything is new. Everything is new. Remember this one, sir. Everything is new, like you should aware. Next, if I claimed 4 years of experience, means 4 years of experience person should know everything. No such type of terminology. Okay, like sir, I got in my new project, there is no mandatory that whatever tools you used, whatever technologies you used in the previous project, same thing you require to use in the next project. There is no such type of rule. Remember this. That's why for any person, sir, including original experience person also, everything is new in the new project. Okay, in the new project, so compulsory, okay, they are going to provide KT sessions. Okay, KT sessions, or otherwise training sessions, training sessions, okay, to get exposure about that project. Okay, like sir, most of the fake people always expecting, sir, day one only they are going to give the work. Day one only they are going to give the work. How I can manage? No chance at all. No chance at all. Out of 100, 99.99 percentage of the time, you never going to work, you never require to do the work on day one. Remember carefully, right? Okay, what is the reason for that? Is for any project, because the project is the new to me. So your project manager may ask, can you please do this? Sorry, in my last project, I never worked so on these technologies, or otherwise on these tools. Okay, let me give some time to expose, to get exposure, like give some time, or otherwise arrange KT sessions. Definitely I will do that. Okay, like so it means that they, even you are claiming 20 years of original experience also, So no one is going to expect everything should be perfect in the current project. Getting the point? Yes, friends. Are you getting my point right, sir? You need not be, sir, here, even your original experience person also, yes, simple, you are not required to know each and everything, sir. It's not mandatory, sir. In my previous project, I didn't use this technology in my previous experience, okay, first time. So can you please provide some KT sessions, or can you please provide some training, or otherwise can you please give some time so that we will explore on our own. So that, do you know, you should have such type of feeling, you should have such a type of mindset, okay. First thing what you require to do, what you have to leave is that fear, okay. Fear, okay. You have to leave because I'm the fake experience, they may identify, or otherwise I may not meet deadlines, compulsory required to do each and everything whatever they are giving. Such a type of fear better to leave, okay. Remember that, because not required. So even your original experience of 4 years, right, is there any rule that compulsory you should know each and everything? Nothing. New project, new technologies, new tools, new environment. I never worked on this, okay. Like, next, in every project, in every project, in the resources, okay, in the resources, there are some intelligent, smart resources are there. Remember this one, sir. So they can understand very easily any kind of thing, they can understand very easily, sir, very easily. Even a new problem is going to come, yes, they can find the solution very easily. Yes, in your class, do you have such a type of student, in your friends? Yes, in your class, maybe in your BTech classmate, BTech class, or otherwise MCA, anywhere, sir. Have you observed there are 3 to 4 members are there? Any new problem sir is giving, yes sir, this person is going to find the solution, or at least he will try to find the solution. Within the project also, there are 3 to 4 such a type of members are there in a team of 70 to 100. Suppose here 70 team members are there, sir. 70 team members are there. Almost around 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 very smart people are there. Okay, like, identify these are smart people. Okay, identify these are smart people, and better to do the friendship for few days. Automatically, your problems by default will be gone. Even you don't know anything. Okay, like, next, one more thing I have to tell. This is one way, sir. Next, moreover, do you know, you are not alone, okay. So some of your friends are working in the companies, okay. Some of your friends are working in the companies, your brother may work in some companies, okay. Like, what you can do, so in offline, okay, you can discuss, Array, this is my work, can you please guide how I have to do that, okay. You are going to spend 8 to 9 hours only in the office, rest of the time happily you can communicate with your what were colleagues, or if you are having the fear, okay, they may identify me as a fake candidate, like, you can communicate with your friend circle, okay. Array, this is the problem, I don't know, can you please guide, can you please help, so that definitely those people are going to help to fix or to solve that issue. Getting right? So better to get help, better to get help from your friends, who are already working on the same domain, who are already working on the same domain, okay. Like, so one way is, sir, here in your team, identify smart people, identify smart people, okay, to get a help, so that, array, if they are asking, array, you don't know this, yeah, I didn't, sir, in the last project I never worked, can you please guide, okay. Like, better to get, okay. Like, this is like, sir, second thing is, okay, better to get help from your friends, who are already working on the same domain. Next, moreover, I told multiple times, right, okay. Google has everything. Google has everything. If you are doing friendship with the Google, then any type of problem you can identify solution, right? Okay, remember this one. This is Google, or otherwise YouTube. Google, or otherwise, sir, YouTube, Udemy. Okay, like, multiple, sir, YouTube. Okay, like, multiple things has everything, sir. And sir, these are things, sir, contain everything. Contain everything. So whatever you require. Suppose here some XYZ tool you require to work. XYZ tool you require to work. You don't know. You never worked earlier. Then open the Google or open the Google or open the YouTube or open the Udemy or Lenda, like multiple or otherwise. So multiple websites. And is there any article? Is there any video course? Or is there any article or any document related to this tool? Better to spend some time. Okay, like this is also very important. But all these things you require to take care. How many days? Yeah. You required to take care. You required to take care. How many days? Can you please confirm? 3 to 4 months only. And after 3 to 4 months, you will become smarter. You are in a position to help the remaining people also. Remember this one. Only few days problem. These few days, because once you got flow related to our project, once you got some idea related to the project, by default will be the remaining problems by default will be gone. Okay, like next, sir, fourth one, very important, sir. Until getting the grip. This is the very important. Until getting the grip on the project, you require to spend more time. Okay, you require to spend more time. Remember this one. If you have to come to the office at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, better to go there to the office at 8 a.m. only. Okay, you have to leave the office at evening 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Like better to leave the office until better to work in the office until 10 or 11. Okay, again, these extra effort, how many days you require to keep until getting the grip on the project. Okay, once you got the grip, then you can enjoy like anything. So even you are fake candidate, no problem at all. Happily you can get on in the project, because day one you never going to get the work. Okay, no one is going to give the work on day one. Compulsory KT must be there. Okay, compulsory KT must be there. Our training sessions must be there. Some people, innocent people, are asking about KT. KT, what is the meaning of KT, sir? Yeah, KT means knowledge transfer. Okay, knowledge transfer. Okay, like suppose I'm currently working on some project. Okay, I got better opportunity, I want to leave. So then so my resignation accepted. One fine day I'm going to leave. Sir, before that company is going to recruit another person. Durga, can you please give the KT, okay, for this X person, and then you can leave. Okay, like some 3 days, 4 days, or 10 days, or 15 days, I will, whatever activities I'm doing in this project, I will give KT to this new resource. Once that new resource is going to tell, once that new resource is going to tell, yes, I'm feeling comfortable, then only I will be released. Remember this one. Then only I will be released. That's why for everything KT will be there. Next, especially related to the project, sir, process documents will be there. Okay, like for everything, process documents will be there. Sir, if you start using those documents, your life will become very easy. Okay, are you feeling comfortable, right? Yeah, there is one more scenario I want to tell to you. Okay, here I'm not, my intention is just my intention of telling all these things is, you should not be panicked to enter in the company even with the fake experience. That's about my main intention, not blaming to any person, especially in the foreign countries, abroad. Sir, in India, how much experience we are going to claim? Usually fake experience, 3 years or 4 years. But in foreign countries, do you know how many years we require to claim? There are some people are there. Okay, abroad people. Can you please tell how many years they are going to claim? Do you know? 7 years, 10 years, 12 years, something like. Okay, total fake only. 7 years, 10 years, 12 years, something like. They require to claim. Okay, what they are going to do is, it's too much, sir. Just some ex consultancy is there. Now observe the story, how the things are going to be happen. If any good programming things are there, better to utilize this. Ex consultancy is there. Okay, these people sending Y employee to some company, sending Y employee to some company on their payrolls. on their payrolls. Sir, do you know what is the meaning of this word? Who is going to pay the money to the employee? Consultancy people are going to pay the money to the employee. But do you know, sir, company is going to pay to the consultancy people. Remember this a bit carefully. So now here these consultancy people recruited a person on their payroll and they are sending outsourcing this employee to XYZ company. Okay, like now what will happen is, do you know, these consultancy people most of the times what will happen is they will take care everything, sir. Interview, getting the job, they are going to take care because they had good relation, rapport, good business deal with the HR people. Okay, at last they are sending this person to the company. What will happen is just this person is going to sit in the company. That's all. Just is a job. His job is a job in the company is in the company is just to sit. Just to sit. Okay, just observe carefully. Just to sit. Then these consultancy people or otherwise this Y employee is going to arrange a person. He is either employee or consultancy people. Either employee or consultancy people arrange a person from offshore or from India. Okay, assume that from India. So to do his work, this job is called support job. Okay, remember this. Usually we are getting the calls. We required support on Angular. Anyone interested? Daily 3 hours he required to work per month. We will provide 40,000 or 50,000. Sir, 3 months work or 4 months work. Or any person on Python and Django support is required. Any person is there with you. Like usually we are always getting the calls. Okay, we are always getting the calls. Like now observe this. What this person is doing? Respond. What this person is going to do in the company? Just one person is required to get the salary from the company. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. He is required to sit. Then obviously, who is going to do the required work? Someone is going to do the work. So this type of thing is called supporting job. Usually we are always getting the calls. So can you please provide support like? So means that why I'm telling this one. So even you climbed with experience. I mean, you are not required to worry. You are not required to be panic to enter into the company. Getting? So then how we can manage the work? So first thing, without the proper KT, without the training sessions, no one is going to give the work to you. First thing. Next, for the new project, for every person it is the new only. So it doesn't mean each and everything in the current project compulsory you should already aware because you had 10 years of experience. Such type of statements are not going to work. Even for 10 years experience, original experience person also, sir, the new project people are going to provide training for the new technologies. Okay, like so clear. Are you getting the points right? That's why don't be panic at all. But make sure, sir. So within the company, sir, you require to spend more time until getting the grip. Okay. So extra some 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours extra you require to work until getting the grip on the project. So this is oddly 2 to 3 months only or 3 to 4 months oddly. Okay, like next and after that, sir, second, you should try to familiar. You have to familiar with how to use Google or YouTube, these kind of things to fix issues. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like next, sir, until here, my sincere suggestion for you, whether you are getting the job or not getting the job, don't stop your learning curve. Your learning curve. Okay, because if you are keep on learning, then these type of problems won't be there in the company. Very easily you can overcome these type of issues. Okay, next, identify some smart people in your project. Better to do friendship. If you are having any issues, they are going to provide support. Okay, like next, better to maintain friends who are working on the same technology. Okay, Array, I'm facing this problem. Can you please guide? Like better to get support from those. Next, and after that, Google or YouTube contain everything, sir. Everything is available in the Google or YouTube. Even that new tool, new technology. So for that complete exposure, you can get complete exposure related to that tool. Okay, better to habitize. Next, until getting the grip, you require to spend more time. Okay, like don't stop your learning curve. So now observe, come back. Sir, one of the product based company offer 11, but I don't have any real time experience how to handle, sir. Clear, right? I hope your doubt got clarified. Yeah. Probationary period means sometimes the companies are going to keep official. Okay, some 6 months is the probationary period, or 3 months is the probationary period, or 1 year is the probationary period. Probationary period means so you are still temporary. Okay, once a probationary period completed, then you will become a regular employee. Getting right? Veranjanailu. Yes, that is. So what they are going to do is, so still within 3 months or within 6 months. So if you feel that your services are not required, we will intimate. If you feel that yes, you are not satisfied with this project or with the company, you can leave. Such a type of period is by default considered the probationary period. Okay. Yes, that is the both side probationary period. Next, sir, how to get fake experience? Okay, like, sir, believe me, believe me, there are n number of companies are there. Okay, who are going to provide fake experience? Don't ask any such type of company name here. N number of companies are there. Okay, n number of there are, sir. Even believe believe me, fake experiences. Some people are going to sell in kg 1 kg fake experience, 2 kg means my intention is those many people are there to provide fake experience. So just you have to start inquire, because out of 10 members, minimum 7 to 8 members just surrounding you are trying for the same. Automatically you will get that information. Getting? Yeah. Okay, contact your friends. But anyway, what things you require to take care while climbing experience? What things you require to take care? Whether this fake experience provided person is going to provide support or not. Okay, is this person is going to provide support or not? If the people are coming for verification, is this person is providing the support properly or not? This type of thing is the very important. That's why if any of your friend already succeeded, background verification completed, is doing the job well, then only better to identify such type of consultancies, better to get that. Okay, next, there is another good programming practice is there, which is going to solve a number of problems. So try to identify small companies. Very small companies are there. Very small companies are there. Companies here, what they are going to do is they will run they will run payroll for you. Okay, do you know everything you are going to get? Array, for every month 60,000 or 70,000, what these people are going to do is they will deposit in your account. They will deposit in your account. Of course, you require to withdraw and you require to pay. And to run this payroll for 6 months or 1 year, you require to pay something. Okay, like there are some small companies are there. They are having this type of facility also. 6 months at least, they will run payroll for you, so that every month the amount will be deposited from the company account in your account. Okay, like they are going to generate everything, sir. Because the reason for this is so they're always they even they will provide form 16. Next, a bank statement, everything will become legal. Bank statement. Next, if they may have PF account, okay, like everything will become legal. Remember this one, sir. Everything will become legal, like so highly recommended. Better to identify such type of people. So because the reason for that is first they will ask form 16. Do you have valid form 16 or not? Yes. Do you have the PF account or not? Yes. So can you please log in your bank account, and can you please show the last 6 months statement? Sometimes these type of dangerous situations also will be there. So if you approach like these people, arrange the next 6 months, I'm going to try with 3 years or 4 years of experience. Better to contact such a type of people who are going to run pay scale for you people, right? Payroll for you. Are you getting my point? Yes, friends. Yes, there are some companies are there. Better to approach, sir. Then immediately you may ask, sir, can you please tell any such type of company? Sorry, that's not my job. Okay, you have to identify. Okay, sir, this is take a bit very special care. Next one after that, how to climb how to get fake projects, sir. Projects for resume, sir. Here, this is one very important point. This is one very important point. Okay, what the thing is, how to get projects for your resume. Don't claim, don't keep your academic projects, okay, in the resume. If you are trying with experience, okay, if you people are trying with experience, don't don't keep okay, your academic projects in a resume. If you are going to keep academic projects in your resume, or small just practice, small assignments in your resume, clear indication that you are telling you are the fake candidate. Okay, that's why please take a bit special care. Then how I have to get the projects? Very simple, sir. Very simple. You have to contact, you have to contact any of your working friends, and ask them, okay, to share their project. Here, just observe, project sharing means code they are not required to share. Okay, just the documentation, okay, like the flow, architecture, these kind of things only. Hare, can you please share your project so that I can claim in my resume? Okay, please take a bit special care. Then immediately you may get the doubt, sir. If this is the project, if this is the client, then automatically maybe a problem, right? Maybe a problem, sir. Observe carefully. For the same client, don't feel only one software company is going to provide service. They, for the same client, multiple software companies can provide support, can provide service. Okay, suppose some project, some telecom is there, sir. Array, for government of India. Okay, so there are 4 or 5 software companies are going to provide support. Don't feel that only one software company will provide support. Okay, here income tax filing is there. Okay, very recently in India, so it is developed by Infosys people. Don't feel completely developed by Infosys, assume that. Okay, maybe some part of that developed by some XYZ, some sub vendors also. Okay, so in the interview room, no one is going to ask the questions related to the coding of your project. Okay, coding of your project. No one is going to ask. Okay, sir, they are always going to ask about architecture, functionality, these kind of things, what technologies you use, and so on. If possible, change client names. No one is going to verify. Why you have to worry about much about that, sir? Here, there, instead of information, okay, your confidence level matters a lot. How confidently you are answering, that thing matters a lot. Okay, so the project related, better to prepare some 20 to 25 general project related FAQs. Most of the questions, project related questions, are always fixed, general, repeated questions. Explain your project architecture, what technologies you used, so for how you perform testing, or otherwise how many members are there, what is your team size. Okay, something like these type of questions, some 20 or 25 general project related FAQs, better to prepare. So better to be ready with ready-made answers. If you are facing the same question, then you have to give left and right. From this, create. Okay, like, sir, I don't know. I don't know. No friend is there to help. Blindly, sir, keep fake resume. Okay, you will get the calls. Whatever questions you are facing, better to record, better to document, and better to prepare. So after 3 to 4 interviews, fourth, fifth interview or sixth interview, confidently you are in a position to give left and right. Getting? Yes, friends. Okay, so there are some good programming practices. Don't expect job in first interview only. First interview only. If you are getting the job in the first interview, something goes wrong. Okay, something goes wrong. You are not in the correct track. Okay, don't expect a job in the first interview only. Minimum some 5 to 6 interviews you require to attend. Then your knowledge, your exposure by default is going to be improved. Remember carefully about this one, sir. Don't expect a job in first interview only. Okay, like if a company identify me as a fake candidate, as a fake candidate, then what about my situation? Then what is about my situation? This is a bigger doubt for most of the people. Okay, this is bigger doubt for most of the people. Don't worry, sir. If one company identify you are the fake, lakhs of companies are there in the world. Lakhs of companies are there in the world. Then why you have to worry about that? Okay, yes, lakhs of companies are there in the world. Yes, better to remove that 3 months experience in that. Again, upload your resume updated with small changes, and better to do. Getting right? Any action from company side? In the last videos I told, nothing, no action from the company side. If they identify you are the fake candidate, if they don't want your services. Okay, here there are 2 points are very important, sir. Point 1, if they identify, if a company identify you are fake, okay, sir, this is the first condition. Okay, nothing will happen, sir. Nothing will happen. This is the first condition. Immediately second condition is that sub condition. If a company won't require your services, won't require your services, okay, like, yeah, observe carefully. So if these 2 conditions are satisfied, then what will happen is they will ask you, Ray, can you please leave this job by resigning on your own. Okay, like, they never going to fire. Remember this one. They never going to fire. Okay, they never going to tell, yes, we are sending out because your experience is the fake. Okay, orally, but document wise nothing will be there. Sir, the reason for that is, sir, simple. They will ask, to resign. Do you know, if any formalities are there, something like 3 months advance pay, 2 months advance pay, they are going to array next 2 months advance pay we are going to provide. Can you please, we will settle your account. Can you please leave because you are getting better opportunity, something like on your willing you are leaving this company, like they are asking you to sign. What is the reason for that? What is the reason for that? The reason for this is, sir, who recruit you? Yes, here see, they won't take any action. Who recruit you? Their recruitment system is not up to the mark. Their recruitment system are unable to identify you are the fake candidate. Have you observed their interview panel is unfit to identify? I hope, are you in the position to understand? So they are not going to blame themselves. First thing. Second thing, by mistake, if their background verification team, okay, didn't do properly, your experience is the original experience, but they are telling that you are the fake candidate by mistake. If they are going to fire because of that reason, if your experience